System online. Let's optimize our morning, people. Girl, I don't even open my eyes till my followers do. Okay, team, today's mission, build a 10K brand by midnight. Say less. I just need one thirst trap and a discount code. Toby, your coffee's acting up.
My coffee crashed. Again.
Shh, the algorithm is meditating.
Toby, I can't imagine what will be said in that meeting today because I need the meeting to be short and brief.
I know you want to update your fans, but this meeting is important.
With a part like this, it's time for me to check my social media to see who loves me online.
I wrote an app that automates ego boosting. Might break the internet.
Or we can manifest engagement through our higher frequency. Bliss, the only frequency that matters is upload speed. Whoa! Wait, what's happening? No!
Everyone has been screaming about VEO3. VEO3 is the best model and design AI, that these are the best models to make characters talk or multi-characters talk. But let's be real, guys. How many of us can afford to keep paying VEO3 to produce us 8-second clips? 8-second clips that sometimes might not even be what you want. Sometimes the clips will even come out with mistakes, errors that you can't change. And even at that, you have to waste your credits. Keep wasting your credits to get the perfect video. What if I tell you there's a free AI combo that can make talking characters, real movement, change outfits, and even lip sync them just in minutes? Yup, you got it right. That entire clip you just saw was made with 0 credits, 0 VEO3, 100% 2 tools. These 2 tools will do the same thing VEO3 is doing, the same thing Design AI is doing without compromising your credits. You don't need to use countless credits to get your characters to talk, lip sync, and even multi-character speaking. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I made those clips and how I made that story come to life with my characters dialoguing together, arguing together, and even giving punchlines without you wasting money on credits. So stay tuned. Watch this video to the end, especially if you're a new creator in the game. You might need this video to help you create more interesting and cinematic videos.
They said dreams take time, but we speed it up. Fashel Creations where you bloom.
Observe the flip of fame, Chef Benny style.
Was it supposed to land in orbit or on the plate? Things don't vanish, they just hide from chaos.
Yeah, super mystery.
Was it supposed to land in orbit or on the plate?
My pancake vanished.
Things don't vanish, they just hide. Why is your hand shinier than your fur?
Okay, I confess. But look how fluffy it was. Next time you steal, you help cook.
So before we get into the main tutorial, I'll be telling you about these 2 tools. These 2 tools are Crook AI and Digen AI. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down why they are game changers and why we should compare them to VEO3. And most importantly, how to write prompts that actually work and how to turn your creativity into cinematic magic. Through this, let's give VEO3 its flowers. Quality is insane. The only truth is, it's not creators friendly. You pay, you pray, you wait. And sometimes, these videos comes out looking like it was filmed by a confused ghost. So for me, I'll prefer to deal with the mess Crook AI and Digen AI are gonna give me than deal with the mess VEO3 will give me, because I'm gonna be paying twice the value of what I can get with Crook AI and Digen AI. Not to talk about Design's multi-character scenes. Forget it. You will need to stitch 5 clips to actually get a 30-second video conversation. That's where Crook AI and Digen AI beats other video models, because they are 100% free, and if you make mistakes, you can easily correct the mistakes without wasting credits or wasting money. So let's get into the tutorial. Now, first thing we're going to do is to try the multi-character freedom. Let's try this and see how it goes using these tools. And remember, Crook AI lets you run multi-character scenes in one prompt. You can let your characters move, talk, walk, argue, cry, laugh, rendered all in one prompt, just like a film scene. Finally, let me show you the magic we can create with these tools. So guys, first thing we have to do is to build our characters. And to build our characters, we will go over to Google AI Studio. That's where we're going to build our characters for this short film. Alright. So we're going to build Lexi, Mika, Toby, and Bliss. all together 4 characters using Google AI Studio. Let's head over to Google AI Studio and build these characters together. When you get to your browser, you type in Google AI Studio. So you're going to find Google AI Studio. This is its logo, so it's going to open. Once it opens, okay. Alright, it's asking me to install Google AI Studio. Let me just go ahead and install the Google AI Studio. So normally, right here, we are going to use Nano Banana. Try Nano Banana. Once you get to Google AI Studio, you're going to be using Nano Banana. So you go ahead and click Try Nano Banana. On Nano Banana, you need to go copy your prompt from ChatGPT. Get your prompt, head over to Nano Banana, prompt Nano Banana to generate the images for you. So I'm going to generate my first image. As you can see, we've generated Lexi. Lexi looks so beautiful. I mean, she looks exactly like the kind of image I was looking for. So if you can see, Lexi is looking beautiful. Now, let's go ahead, generate Toby, Bliss, and the rest. Right now, we are generating Mika. Gorgeous. Now we have generated Mika. As you can see, Mika is looking very beautiful with a little bit of Afro vibes, which is awesome. Now let's generate Toby and Bliss. As you can see, here is Toby. Toby is a cyber tech, so we generated him already doing his job. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead, generate Bliss, and we move on. Now that we've gotten our 4 characters, now we are going to head over to ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, we are going to tell ChatGPT to write a story with scenes. Alright, let's go ahead, prompt ChatGPT to write us the entire story with scenes. And now we are going to give ChatGPT the names of the characters. So ChatGPT is going to help us write each character with each scene and each dialogue. So let's head over to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT give us the full story. While ChatGPT is scripting the story, I'm just going to head over back to Google AI Studio and try to generate an environment where these characters are going to see, talk, and do whatever I want them to do. Alright, I'm just going to go generate that image. Right now, we've gotten our story from ChatGPT. The only thing we have to do is to head over to Daijin or Crook AI and input the script and see the results. Alright, let's head over to Daijin or Crook AI and see the results. So guys, while on Daijin, we are going to use Sora 2, alright? We are going to prompt with Sora 2. So let's use Sora 2 and prompt the AI. Now we are going to say, we are going to upload our image. Once we upload our image, then we are going to prompt the image with what ChatGPT has given us, right? I'm going to upload an image of the 4 roommates sitting in the room, and I'm going to prompt Daijin to see the result. And after that, we are going to head over to Crook AI and prompt Crook AI, and we see the results so that we can compare them side by side and see which one is accurate, all right? So let's do this. So yes, guys, we head over to Daijin, and here at Daijin, we are going to use Sora 2. Like I said, I stopped using my phone because my phone was a little bit slow. So let me just head over to the PC version. So with the PC version, I'll click on Sora 2. And on Sora 2, we are going to give our prompt and upload our image. Now I'm going to head over and upload my image real quick. Here is my image. I'll upload my image here. Then I'm going to prompt my image. I'm just going to rush over to ChatGPT, copy my prompt and paste here, right? Let me paste my prompt here. I'm going to click this and we start generating, all right? While it's generating, we are going to head over to Crook AI and also prompt the same thing, and let's see and compare the results, all right? You head over to your Google and you type in Crook AI. Good, guys. Here we are on Crook AI, so I'm going to just quickly sign in. So right here on Crook AI's dashboard, we are just going to head over to Imagine. On Imagine, we are going to create our videos, right? So what are we looking for? We are just going to bring in our image, attach our file, upload a file. Once the file has been attached, we have to make a customized video, right? One thing I've noticed with Crook AI is that once you paste your image, they already turn it into a video without you even customizing. So you have to come down and customize. So you go back to the image, then you customize the image, all right? You click. Now it's going to customize your image for you.
System online.
The algorithm is meditating.
System online.
The algorithm is meditating. Okay guys, this result did not really come out the way we wanted, so we are going to reprompt it to get the real deal. All right, I'm going to reprompt again because the first one was a disaster. Like I said, with AI you have to have patience. I mean, you have to have so much patience. So I'll reprompt again the second time. Let's see if the results this time will be better. 2 speakers speak at a time.
Toby, your copy's acting up.
My copy crashed again.
Shh, the algorithm is meditating. Toby, your copy's acting up.
My copy crashed again.
Shh, the algorithm is meditating.
Truth be told, this one is beautiful. I mean, this one just came out so nicely. It's really okay. Like,
Copy crashed.
this gets the real vibe of what I want. All right, this is okay. I like this. Let's get now to the other 2 speakers speaking. Right. Okay guys, now I'll reprompt again to get more videos, and then when we get the videos we'll put them together. At least the second one was okay, the first one was a disaster. The second one is okay because I now had to trim them down so that both 4 characters can speak at once. Now I had to make 2 characters speak, then later 2 characters speak, so that it gives that flow. All right,
System online. Let's optimize our morning, people. Girl, I don't even open my eyes till my followers do. System online. Let's optimize our morning, people. Girl, I don't even open my eyes till my followers do.
as you can see, Croak AI has given us the best. I mean, it has done the job perfectly. As you can see, the lady in the suit speaks first, then this other girl speaks next. So it's giving the vibe we want, right? This is perfect.
To my followers.
Now with Croak AI, I really think they are good, especially if you prompt them well, you get the best result. And please, from what I've learned, don't crowd your prompts. Make sure 2 people or 3 people speak. Don't add so many people. Since the video is only 10 seconds, 10 seconds can make at least 2 to 3 people speak if their speech is very short. But if their speech is very long, you cut it down to 2, all right? So that's what I've learned, and I hope you can learn that too when you're creating your own videos. So right now, as you can see, this is beautiful. With Croak AI, we got the best results. Now let's just wait for Daijin AI. Let's see what Daijin AI is going to give us. Daijin AI keeps saying content may violate their guidelines around nudity, sexuality, or erotic content. I don't know about that. I don't know what's erotic about this. So let's change the prompt and see what it gives us next. All right. I don't see any sexual content here, but I don't understand. Let me just change something because I don't see any sexual content here. Let's talk about. So guys, right here, I just had to reprompt the AI to see if there was any nudity in it. I thought might be it's the crop top that was written like crop top. I don't know. I've taken out the crop top and then I've reprompted to see if this signal in nudity something in it. So let's watch and see if they are going to generate us the video. If not, then means I have to change the entire script. All right. For Croak AI has already done an amazing job. So all we are waiting for now is Daijin AI. After Daijin AI, then we can compare the results, all right? So guys, I had to change the prompt and change the image too to get something different. So I just decided to change the image. Let's just try something different and see if it was the image or something else. So we are going to change the image and then we create a different short story and see how Daijin AI is going to generate us this video looking stunning. We are going to also change the theme and the storyline here just for this video, just for this tutorial, just to see what Daijin can give us. Okay, I'm going to upload a new image and then new prompt, and let's see how it looks like. For this particular scene, I went in with 3 cartoon characters for this story because I wanted to change from realistic to cartoon so I don't get errors again. Right here, I just went ahead to upload the image of my character sitting in the kitchen making pancakes. This is where the dialogue takes place. I went ahead to copy my prompt and paste it on here. Then I went straight to hit generate. And there we have it, multi-character lip sync all for free.
Was it supposed to land in orbit or on the plate?
My pancake vanished!
Things don't vanish. They just...
As you can see, the final output generated within 15 seconds, 0 cost, 100% AI driven. Watch how the lighting matches, how the characters react, all from a single prompt and a single script. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start creating AI content, this is it. Through this, VEO3 is great for cinematic projects, but you see Daijin and Crook AI, that's where creators like us strive fast, free, and powerful. Thank you all for watching. In my next video, I'll be telling you why you should join the AI content creator game. And if this video gave you value or help you in your content creation journey, then why don't you go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and drop a comment saying, give me the prompt guide. And I'm going to send over to you my personal Crook and Daijin AI prompts template for free. And you're watching Fashel Creations. See you on the next one. Bye!